In this video, how to make a video or image black and white in Camtasia. Open Camtasia and import the video or image you want to edit by dragging it onto the timeline. Go to the Visual Effects tab. Drag the color adjustment effect onto your media on the timeline. With your media selected, go to the Properties panel. Reduce the saturation to 0. This will remove all color, making your media black and white. You can also adjust the brightness and contrast settings to get the desired black and white effect. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.